Metra Aaron here with another Saddle Tramp sortie. What we got is your BC-1157AW and your BC-1157 ring. We're going to be installing it on this touring bike today. The installation is right here and here. It's the same for both sides. We've already done that one. So to start, all you need is your number 2, nothing complicated. Take out your screws. Now what I do to keep my lenses from falling is bring this last screw out with the lens. All right, your 1157, this is a keyed light, meaning that one of the keys is higher than the other. And we'll be able to see that better on our brand new fresh aftermarket light. Our installation is going to start with your ring. Again, using this and this keyway. Your installation is at the top here for the plug. So to give yourself plenty of space, you want to mount that ring with your cord at the bottom. Right, again, like we were talking about, this is a keyed. So you want to roughly match those up with the correct keyways. All right, and just gently press that onto the studs for the light. Now before we button everything up, we want to check our installation. The AW is amber and white. So we're in accessory right now just to see if everything's flashing properly. All right, so your running light is going to be white, and it's a switchback design that turns to amber. All right, so to complete our installation, just the reverse of how we took it apart. Again, these are plastic, don't over tighten them. Just a good finger tight's good. And with that, you're done. You've instantly upgraded your lighting.